Hey, Frank.
What's up, Larry?
Oh, you need to check this unit out.
What we got here, buddy?
This is a primetime manufacturing RV.
Yep.
Crusader.
Okay.
Full profile now.
Yeah.
This is not a half ton.
Right.
Full profile 395BHL.
What's that L for?
You know,
Larry?
it's a loft
Okay.
in the bunk room.
Got you, man.
Which also has a half bath.
Oh, that's nice. That's
And
half bath.
Outside kitchen. We'll go over that in a minute.
Oh, yeah. We'll check that out, man.
But
this is a big boy. Holy
it is.
smokes. Yeah.
And you got 2 awnings.
Right.
That's how big it is.
What in the heck's over that damn door, Larry?
I tell you what.
God.
I said something when we did the half ton.
Yeah.
That's a 50-watt speaker.
Oh, my God.
You're going to get in trouble playing that late at night at a campground now.
That thing's bad to the bone, bro.
Just beware.
All right.
Now, one thing that we do like,
Yeah.
this is another slide that holds your kitchen,
Okay.
but it opens up that living area.
Sure. Yep.
And you do have a kitchen island in there as well.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, we do like the hand-cooked tires,
Yeah.
a premium tire.
That is a premium tire,
And if you see those yellow air stems there,
Yep.
that's actually got the tire pressure monitor
Yep,
that comes
right
with
there.
it as well.
Very good.
Mm-hmm.
Nice safety feature.
Now, I know the 4-step Lippert solid steps.
Yep.
Those are great.
Yep.
But if you're on the road,
Yeah.
you don't have a rest area, you can plop these down real quick, get into your half bath. Oh, door's locked.
That's all right. At least we know it works.
Oh, by the way, we never talk about the screens.
Yeah, we don't that much, do we?
So they all have screen doors.
Yeah. In this type of weather, that's when they're nice, these screen doors,
Yes.
you know?
But you notice you got the porcelain toilet here,
Yep.
but you can get to it without going through the inside, opening the slides, all that when you're
Yeah.
on the road.
And that's what Larry means by those steps, guys. These ones up here, you're going to need about 4.5 foot to swing them out. These literally, even, 2 foot, if that, and you can get right in there.
Exactly. Now, here is actually nice. This is in that loft bunk room.
Okay.
You do have your little dorm fridge here.
Yep.
You also have a light in here with a receptacle,
Oh, nice.
but you have a little 2-burner stovetop.
Okay. Perfect. That's perfect.
And it just slides right in.
Oh, yeah. That's nice,
There
man.
you go.
Heck yeah.
Now, looking at the back of this,
Yep.
the one thing that we do like, proudly constructed in the USA.
Yeah, we need more of that,
I
man.
tell you, with this strike going on, who knows?
Yeah, correct.
It does have the spare tire on the back, which is nicer than having to crank it down from the underneath.
And that's in a good spot. I love it when they
And it
put it
also
right
comes
there.
with a cover.
That's nice, too. Yeah.
It is prepped for a backup camera.
Nice.
It comes standard with the ladder.
And that's rare to see nowadays.
It is.
I mean, most of them have that collapsible Lippert.
And you do have storage back here as well.
And that's something different, too, Larry.
I mean, something to put your sewer hose and all that stuff in the bin and get it here out of the way.
Yeah.
Yep.
Very nice. And does have a little tow hitch, too.
It does. Now, that is rated for 150 pounds.
Okay.
So if you want to put a bike rack back
Sure.
here, a little generator it can carry. But that's nice that it does have that 1-inch receiver. So
Sure.
perfect for bike racks.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of these people with these e-bikes, they're not that heavy.
Right.
Yeah, that's perfect.
50-amp service.
Okay.
Your gate valves are enclosed in the underbelly.
Oh, really?
This is a true 4-season unit.
That's nice.
Yes.
Yeah, that's very nice.
Also, there's all kinds of slide mechanisms.
Yep.
This is rack and pinion.
Okay.
It's pushed out from the bottom.
Yep.
And it cable slides, Schwintek slides, rack and pinion.
Yep.
You'll have the least amount of worry
Yeah.
with a rack and pinion system.
Yep. It's been around a long time.
Yeah. Now, this is one thing I had to double check.
Yeah.
On demand
Nice.
water heater.
Yeah, man.
The only problem you have with that, your gray tank may get full because everybody's taking a long shower.
Sure. Right. Yeah, that's true.
Now, talked about these doors before.
That's unique.
You know, I like the double door, barn door, whatever you want to call them.
Right.
Because again, you got the slide in the way.
Yep.
If it opens up,
yep.
You open the one down, it hits the ground.
Correct.
Or you got that big door that's wide.
Yep.
So here, you do have a 190-watt solar panel on the roof.
Oh,
that's your 30-amp controller.
Yeah.
Self-leveling.
Yep.
One touch.
Nice.
But I also...
Oh, look at this.
You got rubberized flooring here.
Oh, yeah, man. That's nice, Larry.
And I like the weep holes here.
Yeah. That's smart,
You can put something wet here. You don't have to worry about it because it's going to drain out.
You got aluminum construction. Very nice.
Solid.
Yeah.
Now, it's also nice here. If you notice, you got the handles.
Yeah.
And you have this little chart here showing you if you want to pressurize your unit real quick.
Sure.
Also for winterization, dry camping.
Gotcha.
I mean, it's all right there.
The diagram's right there.
Exactly.
Perfect. Make it nice and easy.
It's Larry proof.
Yeah. There we go. Me too. I like that door, actually.
It is cool.
That's neat, man.
And this comes in dry weight.
Yeah.
Just under 12.
Okay.
That's where I say it's not a half-ton.
No, right.
Gross weight, we're just over 14.
Yeah.
So it gives you over 2,000 pounds cargo.
Right. And there it is in black and white, guys.
And it's close to 42 foot.
Yeah, it's a big boy.
Mm-hmm. Now, another thing I like.
Yeah.
That molded front cap.
Yeah.
And those LED lights.
I like the blue ones, man.
They look cool.
That's sharp, man.
Don't they?
Yeah, that's really cool looking, man. Yeah, I like that. Nice.
And you got the Kingpin Rhino box here.
Yep.
Very nice. Oh, this also comes with 2 30-pound tanks of propane.
Oh, does it?
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
One nice thing about these awnings.
Yeah.
They're all not created equal. But this, and I know, awnings are designed for sunshade.
Sure.
But if you're sitting up underneath it, you got the rain, that's fine. But when it gets too much water in the awning,
yep,
it will actually dump one side till it goes off to the side.
Oh, so you don't manually have to do it?
No, the weight of the water is just going to let it go
that's
down
nice.
to the side.
Yeah.
So, tell you what.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, you ain't seen nothing yet.
All right.
Got to go inside.
All right, let's check it out, buddy.
All right. Tell you what, Frank.
Man.
We're on the inside now.
Dude, I tell you, Larry.
I like this.
Oh, my goodness.
I made a comment in the last one.
Yeah.
It looks like Better Homes and Gardens magazine. It really does.
And this is what you call a picture perfect RV, man.
You got the painted cabinetry.
Wow.
Just the colors.
No, I know.
I tell you, it just pops.
I tell you, Prime Time does a good thing with their colors.
Look at the tabletop. Yeah. That looks nice as well.
I agree, man.
Of course, this breaks down into a bed.
Yep.
You got the ambient lighting down below.
That's super nice.
And I don't know if you saw it the first time. You got ambient lighting above the slide, so you can turn the overhead lights off.
That'd be nice, man.
Nice movie theme light.
Sure.
Nice size drawer underneath the.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Dinette. And of course, you got your recliner sitting here.
Oh yeah, man.
Now TV, fireplace, electric fireplace.
Oh, look at that, buddy.
You got this Yamaha sound bar.
A Yamaha.
Yamaha.
Hey, all right.
But one thing that's nice as well, the TV is on an arm, so you can
nice.
Put it right in front of you. You don't have to look at it with a crook in your neck.
Yeah, because I'm right over here at dinette, and it's actually perfect right here. So I get, that's really good.
But also, your kitchen island, solid surface countertop,
man,
heat rated.
Heat rated, nice.
You got receptacle here.
Yeah,
but just the decor.
I know. I mean, it's really pretty.
You have 2 drain racks.
That's nice.
For the farm style sink, that's stainless steel.
Perfect.
And look at the size of that refrigerator.
Yeah, that's nice.
16 cubic foot.
Look at that sucker. But yeah, you can stuff a lot of groceries and stuff in there, buddy.
Very nice.
Yeah, that's super nice. That's for them long journey camping trips.
Right. And a freestanding oven.
Yeah, look at that, man.
About a 21-inch oven.
Yeah.
You got your pots and pans drawer.
Oh, my God.
I mean, that's pretty nice.
We're back in the old days, they used to use that for a bun heater.
Right, right.
Know?
Oh, yeah.
Throw your buns in it.
Oh, yeah. We're old school here.
Right, yeah. Showing our age now.
Deep drawers in the kitchen area.
Very nice.
And What I like more though, is you have some place to put a pot.
That's very true, Larry.
Everything's right here. You got a little bit of counter space here. You got a light there.
Yep.
Residential convection microwave oven.
Nice, very nice.
That's pretty good size too.
That is, absolutely.
Now, you know I like the lights.
Yeah.
I'm big on lights.
I know you are.
Check this out.
Well, ain't that a fancy one, man?
Ain't that like new, babe?
Look at that sucker, man.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that is neat, Larry. Also, while I was looking up, Larry, they actually do the finished ceilings in here that I like a lot, man.
Exactly. And this is vacuum bonded walls, all that.
Yeah, that just gives you such a nice look,
It does. It's just the whole picture.
Yeah, it just feels like a little cottage in here, man, homie.
Now, for you, Frank.
Yeah.
They got your coffee bar.
Oh, yeah, got to have that, buddy. I mean, light right there. Come on.
Nice storage here.
Very nice. Oh,
you got your control panel on the side.
Oh, and I like that, Larry. It's hidden, too.
It's behind a door.
That makes so much sense.
It has to do the overall.
Right.
It's finished well.
Sure. Right. Correct.
And you even have a pantry in it
wow.
as well.
All that cabinetry and a pantry.
Yes.
Nice. Very nice. Hey, Larry, where'd you go, man?
Oh, check this out.
What the heck are you doing,
It's a walk-in closet.
Holy smokes.
You got the washer and dryer set up here.
What? Come on, man.
This is a walk-in closet.
Jesus.
You got your hanging area here, but you also got a little bit of shelving there.
Oh, my goodness,
and another receptacle.
Hey, yo, you ain't joking, buddy.
This is nice.
That's another bunk room for kids. Wow.
And, you know, you got the nice sliding door here to give you
see that.
better access.
Right.
And king-size bed, it does have that slide to give you a little bit more space here. And, you know, woman had to do this.
Yeah.
The pillows. And all that
I know. Yeah. That weren't us.
It gives it a nice look, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does. Oh, look at that, man.
Underneath storage.
Very nice. Yeah, they even painted underneath here nice, you know, to match. That's just a little detail, man.
The finishes.
No, that's what we're talking about. Yeah.
Yes. I love the headboard, too.
Yeah, I know. That is nice.
And then, again, with the painted wood.
Yeah.
You got the dresser here.
Yep.
And window here.
Correct.
You can put another TV in here if you like.
Yeah.
Everything's on this side. You got a receptacle USB port, but your coax is on this side as well.
Perfect. You just leave the TV up there, and then when you're traveling, put it on the bed. Yep.
Exactly.
Like most of us do.
So before we go into the loft area, gotta show you this bathroom. Yeah,
let's check that out, man. I got so excited I almost forgot about the bathroom.
This is one-piece fiberglass enclosure.
Oh, yeah, that's nice.
With the glass doors.
Yeah, I love those three-piece glass doors.
Over there.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes all the difference in the world.
And I tell you, I dig those toilet paper holders.
Yeah, man. I'm pan around in this thing for you.
And, I mean,
can't
ask for much more than that.
When they get the plumbing up out of the way, look how much more storage you got for stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's really nice.
And
that's awesome.
If you stay right here, this is actually pretty nice for towels and hand cloths.
Oh, yeah. That's nice and deep, too. And there's that toilet paper holder Larry was talking about.
But I do like that one-piece fiberglass shower.
Very nice. Yep. 3 doors, all glass. Very nice.
And you know as well as I do.
Yeah.
This hand railing being on the wall.
Yep.
It is secure.
It's all something, huh?
Yes. Plus, you got your little
tablet light
here.
Sure.
You can do everything with on-demand water heater again.
Yep. Just set it and forget it.
There you go.
Oh, I like that, Larry. The motion light where your steps are.
Exactly.
So that's really nice.
And you got an oversized window in here to give you some more natural light.
Yeah, I always comment when they do the windows in the hallway. It just
makes sense.
It really does. That one, at least you can open that one. Most of them you can't.
Right.
I mean, that's super cool.
And I like the decor on the doors, of course.
Yeah, it's like barn-style doors, you know?
Check this out.
Man, look at that bed, dude.
That's probably full.
Yeah, easy, Larry.
So
holy smokes.
couple adult families go out.
Right.
Older teenagers.
Yeah.
Plus, look at all the cabinetry here.
Oh, wow.
This, one thing that's nice about this.
Yeah.
Let me get in there.
Sure.
You have a shelf here.
Right.
But you can get this shelf out of the way.
What?
To do more storage. You got little piano hands back there.
No, that's cool, Larry.
Yeah.
That's thinking right there, man.
You have your light down here, receptacle,
Sure.
USB port on the side. Yep. And you got the old loft up here.
Oh, yeah, with a window up there, air ducts up there.
But you also have storage up there as well.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Very nice.
You got your nice ladder to go up there as well.
Yep. Nice wooden ladder.
You get it up out the way.
Stow and go. Perfect.
This is the bathroom we showed you on the outside.
Yeah.
But what's nice here, I know this is a little bit of a pain in my unit because I have a travel trailer.
Right.
But you have to reach up to turn the fan on.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to spin it open and things like that.
Yep.
Unless you have a step ladder, you ain't going to do it in here. But the buttons right here.
Yeah.
To open and close and turn it back.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah.
I mean, it makes sense, especially in a unit like this. Cause
you're right.
I'm not the tallest individual in the world, but come on.
You'd have to be really tall, brother.
Yeah.
That's super cool, man.
So,
yep.
Very nice.
Very nice unit.
I mean, just the finished touches.
Yeah.
Even the curtains over the windows here.
Well, putting a window right there by you, Larry, I mean, you got 4 windows in here.
It's not the wooden valance, it's the curtain you get at the house.
I know, right. And we didn't add that. It came that way. So, ain't our doing.
I tell you what, we'll go in here.
All right.
Go over the specs one more time.
Yep.
And I tell you what, I'm going to sit right here at the dinette.
Go ahead, man.
I love the tabletop looking like this.
Kick back, buddy.
So, for this purpose, 42 foot.
Okay.
I said just under 12. It's at 11,850 dry weight.
That's actually very light for a unit this size, Larry.
Plus, it's 14,175 as far as gross weight.
Yep.
So it still gives you over 2,000 pounds cargo.
Yep.
And this sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know me and Frank, we're going to sleep on a recliner.
So easy. I mean, easy 7 comfortably, 8, 9 if you have to.
Oh, yeah. So here, we're all payment buyers around here.
That's it, Larry.
So this here's about 467 plus or minus a little bit.
You said 467?
467.
Good. For a unit like this, a home.
Exactly.
Good golly, man. Fully furnished. Everything for 467.
The MSRP is close to 98,000.
Well, you got this thing priced at,
62.
62.
62,032.
The phone should be ringing off the hook.
I tell you what.
I mean, come on, guys.
These are nice.
Wow.
Luxury. This is luxury.
Nah, that's a nice.
And I tell you what, Crusader, all by Primetime Manufacturing.
Yeah.
It's the finished touches.
It really is.
Yep. I like in this unit.
Me too.
It's like they think of everything.
Yeah, they do a good job.
It's got to be a woman. But anyway, I'm just playing that there. But this also has the 2 ACs.
Yes.
They're both, I believe, 15K. Don't quote me on that.
Sure.
But I tell you, if you like this video, any other video, like and subscribe. But the biggest thing is you got to see it in person.
You really do.
Videos are nice, but you got to see it in person. So come down and see me and Frank. We'll treat you right. And at 62, I don't think it'll be here for long.
I don't think so either, Larry. I appreciate it.
Well, y'all keep camping or get in here so you can go camping.
That's right. So we can put you on the road RVing.
All right.
Thanks, Larry. Appreciate it.